Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to edit in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. In the upper right corner, we can get started. So you can get started creating an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log into your Google account normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where in the upper right corner, we can get started and everything is going to be available right here. As you can see, you can get started creating a new form if you do not already have one. You can go and manage your recently created forms right here in this section. And now let's go and take a look. Basically, if you do not have a form, you're going to click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to go ahead and open up a form you're going to create. So here is my entitled form where you can give it a name, you can give it any kind of description, input questions. I have already created my form. So this is my form, how it looks like, my tutorial form for a video where I have a question and some answers. And now I can get started. Basically guys, to edit your form, all of it is available right here in the main page. This is the home page where we can get started with. Here we can give it my name, here we can give it a description, and we can get started importing questions. So if you want to add questions, you can click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to add any kind of questions you want. You can input the question name right here. You can add as many options as you want. Answers, you can choose what kind of answers you want. All of your edit options are available right here in this home page. You can go ahead and test out for yourself. You can choose what kind of options you want, such as multiple choice answer, check boxes, short answers, paragraphs, and so on. All of that is available right here. You can get started with deleting anything you don't want to use by clicking the delete button. And so you can add images, titles, descriptions. All of that is available right here from this main page, and everything you need to edit your form is available right here. And that's how easy it is to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.